Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can create neon outline effect on CapCut PC. So select your video you want to edit and just copy paste, and you're going to effect, select neon outline on a party effect, just tap on add, just the party duration and the strings to the 70, and just going to filter and select BW1 just for the duration, and then just going to media library and select the break background just for the duration, and go to model plane. So select linear burn and adjust for the opacity like so, and just to merge it, go, and then just compound the clip, the overlay clip. So just select clip and right click, select create component clip, and just going to model plane again, so select overlay. So here we go. Okay, that's how to neon outline effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.